Chibichumelo lomya muhela musoli kubuha mazimwangala Bulozi au ikumsa kayona ili kuzolela motropo ya Mungu mwa Bulozi. Makande Mwa Silozi mubali kina Nathana kufuna wa mndila. Halo talimeni faritoho za Makande. BALIMI ba rais mwa MUNGU BABATA KUZIBA LITEKO za rais mwa TEKISANO ya SILIMO sa 2026 kwisa 2027. Wa MUYUMBANA ba SUSUEZA SICABA sa Bulozi KUYEMA ni MUETELELI HAKAINDE HICHILEMA. TUKISO ya KUBULUKA BASIZANI mwa LIKOLO ITUSA BASIZANI BABAFITELELA palo ya 760 mwa skiriti sa SIOMA. BALIMI babamu mwa skiriti sa MUNGU bakupile muso kwa kufisa kutumusa teko ya mbonyi ni rais famusika wa SILIMO sa 2026 kwisa 2027. Kutarusa kuli tiyeho ye ibatiseza butata kwa neko la kunahanela kwa pata. Kwambola kwa babihi Makande bamaze mwangala Bulozi BALIMI baize kutumusa liteko kaubebe kukaba tusa kuingami hato sakata kwa kuba bazali kutuloza bona ni kwitukiseza bulimi bwa isaho kaubebe. Katengo kakatale mafa pokelezo yalicho munaha ka Food Reserve Agency FRA kabukuswani katalosize kuli kakakona fela kutumusa liteko za mbonyi ni rais kalulo ya mkamo haika kutamatasi fati kanyo yeswanela ya 12.5% ili kubona kuli licho ze zakona kubukelezwa hande.
Vanga likazaluna kakuchipa kyalukupa kwa musokuli baeze kaputako simoni SILIMO kaufela bano wezanga kama uveve kuzusateko kuli nuna BALIMI mfano wase ni sasimu imisebezi yalo na kaufela izamae kama uveve teko kaufela ya kutafa fasi alukaisa kwa lusaka kaufela itezi raisi chwe mtengo wachipa kona luvilala una BALIMI kuli mulubonele fateni
niniswa na kuli kambe na lekisa kaubebe hani lekisa kaubebe ni ma programu akweza seni sala bwi TUKISO wakuli haluka bani haluka limiwa fast limoselu kalanji muhape lube baba itukisize hande kanako nsina halu utakuli mabona na SILIMO se kulelwa kuli pula inakunela hande luswana kuli mali kuchalali peu zale ze mena kaubebe zesa tokumeza mangata kona kuli yo itoka bwi TUKISO jole hakali ya twana maliruka mana gaguza lipeu zale zeto kwa linanga lipeu za kuchala malinanga petuluka beluka ba kazi yele jimu kona mweka kutira matasi hape chwalo
yana banga MUETELELI wa mulonganyana wa skiriti sa MUNGU bo nyambe MUYUMBANA bazozi pili mumgendenge wa kukupela MUETELELI wanaha mavoti kwa SICABA yena mchompe HAKAINDE HICHILEMA mane ni baipapati kaufela bakopano ya United Party for National Development UPND kabukuswani ili mwa Bulozi mwaliketsa zana mwingelele za SILIMO saunomwaha. Kwa mbola kwa mkopano wa kukupa mavoti mwa skiriti sasi sheke wa MUYUMBANA baize kikwa butokwa kuli kubeni kwekeza mwa kamaiso kutarosa kuli MUETELELI HICHILEMA uswanila kufiwa kolo yengwi ya kupeta milelo ya zwelo pili. Bo MUYUMBANA baize mubuso wako pano ya UPND ubonsize chiseho kwaneku la kutisa zwelo pili ili kamukwa wakuchimbola sifumu kamulelo wakukona kuba ni kutulo ya mbonyi yefita fabwima wa 10 million metric tons ili kutiseza silelezo ya sicho monaha kamkana.
Former MUNGU Mayor Nyambe MUYUMBANA has continued to rally support for President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA and all UPND adopted candidates in Western Province ahead of the August 13 general election. Speaking to Bulozi TV News during a campaign meeting in Sesheke district, MUYUMBANA said the country needs continuity in leadership to sustain the development programs initiated by the UPND administration. He said President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA has laid a clear development agenda that requires another term to deliver more benefits to the people of Zambia.
Molelo to support my adopted candidate by UPND. One kwa East, Makangombe kwa West Kombizi. Mi message KS1 lubata kuli lwekeze kupa SICABA lwekeze lufe mutope HAKAINDE HICHILEMA bavota mangata kuyacholo niba bakitule kaufela mu UPND kakuliswelo pili luselo lwaibona balikolo bakenda mahala ane bayocha nukucha balikolo zile size alangi apone manifesto kwamboli wakuli kumekubanga ni jimu yakona kweza 5 million metric tons of maize jimu yetu aloyo wamubaniona sepakuli yakona yakaswa tala yakona koloba tala kuli amuka obulahandi neba mwana kwa mwana wasa bamba harvest yene ya mbozo wa ulu itozi leswa 2 million wakasheno alwambola chwana SILIMO se wakesa HAKAINDE kumela ngana kwa situ farmers fertilizer lukonele kweza more than 3 million metric tons kusupeza kuli 5 million yako na kweza hala nikona lukupa SICABA.
Meanwhile, unadopted Mary aspirant Barbara Sibeso echoed MUYUMBANA's sentiments, urging residents of Sesheke to support President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA and the UPND candidates in the forthcoming polls.
For now, when SICABA adopted, we are here with my brother to support the adopted candidates. Support Makande Mwa Silozi kwa support bomise kuona kwa president wao ndani chalo sana ensha. So Lunami information, we are actually visiting my constituency Kaufela na Bulozi kuri watu wabonebonde waizizena HH mshemwa unaweza kuri unanisishemo sasa tuna mifakuru akaende aikeza nikaza haye unalikuona kuri wapotela makandidates
For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MUNGU, Western Province.
Mizeo halili chwalo mwinasipula wa wabancha mwakopano ya UPND wo Gilbert Liswaniso baikilizeko onga mikopano ili kususueza SICABA kufa kemero kumweteleli HAKAINDE HICHILEMA nikopano yebusa mwa Bulozi kuitukiseza liketsa zala 13 muyana 2026. Kuambola kwa nyangela yene teani kuteleza bwipapato wabona ili mwasikiriti sasi sheke boliswaniso bakupile SICABA sasi sheke kubotela mweteleli HAKAINDE HICHILEMA mibaize muso wakopano ya UPND utisize mitomo yeo isweli kumbwa shafaza maino abungata wa SICABA mwanaha Zambia. Mihaili ya ipapata kuyemera Sesheke East mwandu ya milao wo Romeo Kangombe ni mwipapati wa Sesheke West wo Frederick Misevezi va kongomekile baboti KUYEMA nibona hamoho nikopano ya UPND mwariketsa zetaha zana mwingelele zona zala 13 muyana 2026.
UPND National Youth Chairperson Gilbert Liswaniso has continued mobilizing support for President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA and the ruling party in Western Province ahead of the forthcoming general elections. Addressing supporters during a campaign meeting in Sesheke district, Liswaniso urged voters to support President HAKAINDE HICHILEMA, saying the UPND has introduced policies that are improving the lives of many Zambians.
Security sasa Sesheke makonstituency amabeli wapumile amabeli haapumile chwalo ulera kuli nibata 40 milioni ya mali iye kwani kakali kwa west 40 milioni hape itaye kwano kwa east kuli luchimbule chwale bupiro bwalona kakuyakali kolo kakuyakali patela mandu amaluti mandu amanasi maneni za mezi nizemu zeo zetokwala kwa magranti kwa maloni kulimangi ni mangi afumane mwateni.
Meanwhile, UPND Sesheke East aspiring member of parliament and Sesheke West aspiring member of parliament appealed to voters to support their candidature and the UPND in the forthcoming general elections.
Mwana Katongo, mwana Kwenani, mwana Libumu, mwana Kabuyu, mwana Mutwamezi, mwana Mukotekwa, mwana Ndalo, mwana Katundu ko kwateni ne kubile MP wa pili mwa Bulozi mo. yena mushiba kacheku nibana babona lutokuba mapilamina kutokupa pili kukalaku kupela mutompe HAKAINDE
kikuvotela pela mwalizo kipeto mali akashifoeke azwela pateni amocho ni masherenyi ya makwasha ni utwako likona wakatongo mane kona muna ni makwasha vabanyezu kitabayaniti vateni cheremu vabulelele nibona vasusuweze kulimina makwasha abanyezwi ulimuzwele pili kola mali ha luswana akuzwela pili apeni HAKAINDE HICHILEMA.
The two candidates said electing UPND representatives at all levels would help accelerate development and improve service delivery in the district. For Bulozi TV News, Celestina Mbewe, MUNGU, Western Province.
Yaipapata kuyemela luena mwandu ya milao ili kakuyema anose bomwala kalaluka basepisize baboti kuli bona bakazola pili kufa kemelo kwa LITEKO za muso haiba bakafiwa kolo ya kuba muyemeli wasiwaka salwena mwandu ya milao ile kulatula mabulatu akuli bakatuhelisa LITEKO za misebezi ya zolopili zetatekilwe kuambola kwa bihi ba Makande ba mazimwangala abuloze bo kalaluka baize LITEKO zeo kimilelo ya muso ye amazwelo pili ya SICABA mikachwalo liswanira kuba zezo la pili kusina kutalima fako pano yeo ayemi kuyona mutu mibaikirize kufitisa pizo ya kwekeza kuba LITEKO za selelezo ya lilalanda mwa siwakasalwena mibafile mutala wa mshitu wa kambowa mwa nangula wadi ko basuswelize SICABA babapila kwa tengi kuchala likota ili kutusa kubukeleza mishitu.
On 29th May 2026, Luena constituency independent aspiring candidate Mwala Kalaluka withdrew from the parliamentary race only to rejoin the contest 4 days later, citing what he described as popular demand. Following his withdrawal, there have been assertions that Kalaluka would not appear on the ballot paper. In an interview with Bulozi TV, Kalaluka has dispelled those claims.
Aizo kwenda bana balona baba bafirize kwali koza panga za matrade school zemu za rikafera kulisha misebezi bete hape tabaki yakuli kustukubule yakuli bomwala Kalaluka haba no kuba ballot paper boki bu hata bubunsu akuna niti mamulelo mataba yo mibale bule abao bali bule ka buli mpeche nitiki kuli Kalaluka mwala batini fa ballot paper BAYEMA mimane hapi bakile mamugendenge wakupona kuli likazeza mahala alikesisaze balani kabiri mwateni yakubona kuli nima balieza.
He added that campaigns in Luena constituency are progressing well, adding that all aspiring parliamentary candidates are on good terms with each other. He further stated that there have been no incidents requiring the intervention of the District Conflict Management Committee.
Constituency libire za kozo na sepa kulinebe ba Conflict Management Committee alona abasika bade butatahu kwa maana nilikesa ze lwambo sana mahala alona kuna baba usokopani bona bazi basa kikinde bapala kopani lona kuna baba MP candidates bala buisana lwambo sana hamo mita be mutela no bonale kwa mukola kwa no kopani nibo candidate baba candidates baba babeli malikisaze mino lwambo hande ko nabutata bufika pa bufi chwale likesa libera kozo.
For Bulozi TV, I'm Bruce Masalela in MUNGU, Western Province.
Luka ishumusa hanyani mwapumula makutila kaofi mi haluka kutalu katozola pili NITUKISO ya Makande Mwa Silozi.
For decades, Zambia has searched for its promise. Through triumph, sacrifice, and difficult seasons. Many promised change. Many spoke of hope, but the burden remained heavy. And then, a servant of the people stepped forward. Not perfect, not a magician, but a man willing to lead his people through the wilderness toward a better Zambia. like Moses leading his people toward the promised land. The journey was never meant to be easy, because nations are not built overnight. They are built through faith, sacrifice, and perseverance. The work is not finished, but Zambia is moving forward.
On the 13th of August 2026, vote for HAKAINDE HICHILEMA as President of the Republic of Zambia.
SICABA sa ilutewad. Vikie Lasunda 19 July 2026. Muskema ya TUKISO ya Beyond the Ballot. Kanako ya 1730 hours. Baipapate bamina vo Thomas Mwamba. Bakopano ya Citizens First. Bo MUETELELA nyambe bakopano ya UPND. Hama ochwalo nibo musinga spalo bakopano ya NRPUP. Bakamitaloseza milelo ya zwelo pili yebanani kuamana wadi ya Ilute. Chwale amwe ikutwele ni kuipuhela Beyond the Ballot isalimina kakuli kukandekelwa kumaswe. Lasunda Kanako ya 1730 hours. Only on Bulozi TV, the pride of Barosi.
In every celebration, there's a simple choice being made. To belong, count me in. In moments of love and promises for tomorrow, count me in. At the checkout line, in the middle of an ordinary day, a reminder that every number matters. Count me in. Across our communities, our streets, the same message finds us. Count me in. From the everyday worker to the hands shaping our future every day, the call is the same. Count me in. And around the traditions that bring us together, the message becomes impossible to ignore. Count me in.
This election season, your vote counts. Get your NRC and voter's card ready.
Count me in.
Being a teenager isn't always easy. Every day brings new challenges, big decisions, and questions about life, family, friendship, and the future. Bulozi TV brings to you Teens of Focus, the program where real teens talk about real issues. We create a safe space where young people learn, grow, and find their voices. Join me, Kutemba Kabish, as we explore on the issues that matter most to teenagers, empowering them to make informed choices, build confidence, and unlock their full potential.
Bulozi TV is the only commercial television station domiciled in MUNGU of Western Province, Zambia, providing homegrown broadcasting. We are licensed by the Independent Broadcasting Authority (IBA) and carried by TopStar on DTT channel 120. We are also on Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, TikTok, and WhatsApp channel. Our news is factual, balanced, and delivered on time in 3 languages: English, Simbunda, and Silozi. Our programs range from talk shows, entertainment shows, personality, cultural heritage, political shows, local drama and soaps, children's shows, community live broadcast, and many more. Call the station manager to advertise your business on 0975 210 218 or 0764 907 921. Or email us on bulozitv@gmail.com. We are situated in MUYUMBANA compound off Kagrava Road in MUNGU. Bulozi TV, the pride of Barosi.
Kibitumiro milwa zulapili ni Makande. muso katusoyezwa kwa panga yetu na alifasi ni baitombole babamu kufitela mwapulukelo yalinaha ze fapana usweli kutiseza mayemo atuto yefiwa kwa basizani babashebile ili mwatukiso ya kubuluka banana basizani mwalikolo yona keeping girls in school. Kwambola kanako yalipo isano ze amana fa kubuluka banana basizani mwalikolo zenonga ongezwi first kolosa nangweshi boarding secondary school ili mwasikiriti sa SIOMA. Babaswali swalelele buzamaisi wasikiriti sa SIOMA bo Robin Makai baize muso unanimilelo ya kwekeza palo ya likiriti kuzwafa 95 kuyafa 116 kwa mafelelezo asilimo sa 2026. Haili ya talima familelo ya tuto mwasikiriti sa SIOMA bo Angela Mwangala bonabaize banana bafitelela palo yemyanda yesupile ni mashumi asilezi bafumani tuso kwa tukiso ya kubuluka banana babasizani mwalikolo kuzwa kwa matatakelo atukiso ye mihaili bali shumi kali mumwe bakonile kuya kwa likolo zepahami kakufiwa lituso.
Government, with support from the World Bank and other cooperating partners through the Multi-Donor Trust Funds MDTF, is strengthening access to education for vulnerable girls through the Keeping Girls in School and Beyond KGS initiative under the Girls Education and Women Empowerment and Livelihood for Human Capital Jewel Project. Speaking during the Keeping Girls in School and Beyond Initiative Academic Symposium at Nangweshi Boarding Secondary School in SIOMA District, Acting District Commissioner for SIOMA Robin Makai says the program has transformed lives of vulnerable girls and announced that government will expand the initiative from 95 to 116 districts by the end of 2026.
Given the impact the project has had, KGS will scale up to 21 more districts to increase the number of KGS implementing districts from 95 to 116 before the end of 2026.
So at the district, we have a total of 760 keeping girls in school that we are servicing as SIOMA district. 766 girls that are being supported. That is at secondary school. Then at tertiary level, we already have 15 girls that are pursuing their tertiary support at various colleges, various universities in Zambia.
Meanwhile, Acting Agriculture Coordinator for SIOMA Chipobe Hangomba noted that 60% of crop production in Zambia is produced by women.
So, as an agriculturalist, more than 6% of the food that we eat is produced by women. No wonder, even the government and the Jewel Project, even KGS, they are saying, let's empower who? The girls. The seeds you plant today through education, discipline, hard work, and good character will become the harvest of your future success.
Education Officer for Western Province Peggy HICHILEMA urged beneficiaries to work hard and make the most of the Keeping Girls in School sponsorship.
And our dear learners continue to appreciate by living positively and have a high self-esteem. You have a high self-esteem, you cannot fail to do anything.
We are also grateful to our sponsors, KGS, and supporters. Your generosity played a key role in making today possible.
Held under the theme, Empowering Girls, Creating Leaders for Tomorrow, the symposium promoted academic excellence and inspired girls to pursue higher education and successful careers. Ndopu Sendoi reporting.
Katengo kakatalima faliswanelo za banana ni zwelo pili ka Media Network on Child Rights and Development MNCRD kakupile baliko pano kutokolomoha kubea banana mwalitaba za wipapato ili kufama mela ya kuli mukwawo uhatikela liswanelo za banana. Iyo muhulu wakatengo ka bo Henry Kabwe baize kubea banana mwalitaba za wipapato kunyefula tukelo yabona yakuba ni mukunda mi kukona kuba Kenya mwautata bakengisa batu babana ni milelo yelunya bao bakona kuba kaleza kuwela kwaliko pano. Katengo ka kaize maswaniso abanana asweli kuingiwa mwanako ya wipapato aswanela fela kuboniswa kwa SICABA haiba bashemi babanana bao balumezi kweza chwalo.
The Media Network on Child Rights and Development, MNCRD, has noted with concern the number of pictures of children being captured during political party campaigns ahead of the 2026 general elections. According to the Children's Code Act and other related local, regional, and global treaty commitments, children's identities can only be exposed with the signed consent of parents or legal guardians. Capturing children during campaigns violates their rights to privacy and may expose them to danger, as unreasonable political players may react negatively to their perceived political affiliations. Further, while we appreciate the relatively peaceful nature of the campaigns in these elections, it is risky to take children to political events in case of violence. In the past, we have witnessed the deaths of people, including children and youths, during campaigns. It is unfortunate that one teenager was shot at yesterday during campaigns, and we urge the Zambia Police Service to not only look out for young people, but also advise adults going with them to leave them out of the campaigns. We equally urge all political parties and other players to uphold the dignity and rights of children by advising their media teams and supporters to ensure that they promote the rule of law as they seek to save the Zambian people.
Miri kandela ni lufitize kwa maferezo a TUKISO ya Makande Mwa Silozi kono lusika ya kale harotanemeni hape faritoho za Makande. Balimi ba raisi mwa MUNGU babata KUZIBA LITEKO za raisi mwa TEKISANO ya SILIMO sa 2026 kuisa 2027. MUYUMBANA ba SUSUEZA SICABA sa Bulozi KUYEMA ni MUETELELI HAKAINDE HICHILEMA. TUKISO ya KUBULUKA BASIZANI mwa LIKOLO ITUSA BASIZANI BABAFITELELA palo ya 760 mwa security sa SIOMA. Mwakona kubuhali TUKISO zaluna kaufela hili ifa TopStar decoder fampuito ya 120 mwale bakaze tatama MUNGU limulunga nalolo lusaka chongwe chilanga likalolo zengwe za sinanga kalabo rufonsa mane nilibaka zeinzima bapa musakona kulubuha nifa Facebook ili farikepe la Bulozi TV fapila abumanjinela bo ashbeo sibulwa kabi ila imbali la Makande kina nathana kufuna wa mundela.